That's my hair.
Another one coming.
That's my hair.
Pretty, very pretty. Are you picking on your mommy?
It's not mine.
Are you
Kind
picking?
of. He picking everything.
Quit picking.
He already got my ponytail twice. What do you want now? What I have? This is for you. You want to buy it? Come on, bite.
Quit
Bite
nibbling
this
on
one.
them.
Bite this one. Good boy.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. No. I told you I don't have nothing for you.
This is showmanship for 4-H members. Rachel's second class today.